Hey guys, it's Cheryl, the activity author, here to drop a quick video showing you guys what we love to do here in the South when it snows, because y'all know it rarely snows down here, but when it does, we have a lot of fun. So check out these activities. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm an author, and I also create kids crafts, easy kids crafts, out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and stick around to join my creative army. All right, so let's get started. So this all started one day when we looked outside and saw that there was snow on the ground. I mean, of course I knew because I watched the news, but they didn't. And they were like, "Mama, what's that white stuff on the ground?" Because they never seen snow. So this is what it looked like, of course, as y'all can imagine. Not like the North, right? Our little southern white Christmas. Anyway, we were very surprised to see that ducks did not fly south for the winter. But anyway, we went ahead and grabbed our too small of a snowsuit. Playing the snow?
Yeah!
Got your snowsuit on. This gonna be your last day in it. It's a little high water. Okay, it's giving. It's giving. All right, well, let's go.
Okay.
Gotta close the door. You ready? Yeah, we don't have enough snow to make a snow angel.
I can make it.
You can make a snow angel?
Yeah.
Good. Oh my goodness. It's actually not bad. Okay, y'all gonna make us have to go in the house. Get off that ground. Alright, we're still trying to make our pile. We're almost there. This is almost enough snow to make our volcano. Okay, real quick before we do this activity, I do want to give a shout out to Kid Story and More, Mimi down there. Y'all gotta go subscribe to their channel because it is their channel that actually inspired us to do this activity. So go ahead and head there if you love to see kids activities and books and games and all sorts of things. They are just an awesome channel and definitely one of my favorite channels on YouTube. So go ahead, they're linked in the description box below. So what y'all are looking at right now is us trying to make a mountain out of a molehill. Is that how the saying goes? Well, we ain't got enough snow, so we got to go all around the yard to try to find some snow. Last one. All right, Kelly. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna smooth it out. Like Mother says, smooths it on out with my gardening. Yeah, we smooth it on out. All right, you got it? This is what we need. Some white vinegar.
Yeah, I'm gonna do first.
Some baking soda.
Baking soda.
They said dish detergent is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it because it makes it extra foamy. And food, food coloring.
Ooh, food coloring. I like it.
All right, so I have these extra cups. First thing you want to do, Kim, here, drill a hole like this in the middle.
Okay.
Be gentle. Ready? Help me. 1, 2, 3. Come on, together. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Together. All right, let's turn it. Oh, wait. Hook it like that. There we go. Nice big hole. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Now.
Now you put the cup in there. Yep, put the cup. Oh, good job, Kimmy. Perfect. Okay, actually, let's put the cup with the baking soda. Let's put some baking soda in the cup. Oh, that's a lot of baking soda.
Yeah.
Oh, well, the more the merrier.
My turn.
Oh, here, yeah. You put it in. Go ahead, put it in. The more the merrier. Malia, stop it.
There.
Okay, pause. This is where I was distracted by my youngest, who y'all can often hear me yelling at in the background at. I was distracted and didn't realize Kim dumped the baking soda out instead of putting the cup in the hole like I showed her. So, yeah, this first one, y'all gonna see. I didn't have red, so I'm using yellow and pink because I don't know what else looks like orange. I want you to help me drop it in. Ready? Good girl, squeeze. Good job, Malia. Okay, that's enough. Ready? Squeeze a few drops in there. 1, 2. Ooh, that one's kind of liquidy. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
All right, then we're gonna put the dish detergent in here, and then we're gonna mix it. You wanna pour it in, Kim?
Yeah.
Here, go ahead, pour it in. Pour it in. You ain't supposed to put that much. But it is what it is.
Oh, it's not coming out.
Just hold it and it'll slowly drip out, I promise. All right, Malia, don't touch anything. Good girl. All right. All right. We're going to,
Mix it.
yeah, Anthony said mix it, right? What is that? Mix it. Stir it up.
Stir it up.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
And this is good that we use this little cup here because, Leah, we got you. Because guess what happens? It looks like a part of the snow. It blends in with. How did I not see that there's no cup? And ooh, I'm gonna get this little girl. She played me, y'all. Snow. All right. I want a big explosion, but before we do that, you want to make the streaks?
Yeah.
All right. Here, you want to use the other end to like. Let's see. You're gonna curve out a little trench for it to fall like that. Okay. One, make a volcano! Oh, it's not doing anything. Oh, that's a fail. What happened to the cup? It ate straight through the cup, y'all. All right, let's try this cup. And it's here where I realized there was never a cup. Ugh. All right, watch the right way to do this. I have a plastic cup.
I want to do the plastic cup.
Okay. I'm gonna try the whole thing again. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna do a lot because I. Okay, Kim, together. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, leave it there. All right, let's put some more food coloring. Put it in. Help me squeeze. Yeah. Squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Oh, squeeze it some more.
Squeeze it.
All right.
It's coming out.
It is. Okay, that's good. Malia, don't you do anything. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's enough.
Yay, we did it.
1. Here we go. Back up, Kim. Back up. Yay! It worked! It would have worked the first time if somebody would have put the cup down. Yay! That was fun. Let's keep doing it. Wait, we need some more baking soda. Throw some more baking soda. Oh, look! Y'all, forgive me. I was way too hype about this.
I like it.
You like the volcano? Making memories, girl. Okay, let me try it again. Put some more in there. I don't know if it's gonna work like this, but we're trying to kill this whole box. Get rid of the box because I don't need it. All right, you want to do some more?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I want to see if we can get all the way to the ground. Look, Leah.
I don't.
Woo! Volcano!
Oh.
Y'all are so cool.
Let's do it again.
Y'all like it? Again. I found a lot of snow. Of course, is on my deck, which I can definitely use all this snow. We could have just stayed up here and made the doggone snowman. But if you look on my table cover, look at all of this. Goodness. This is awesome. So we're going to use this to make our snow. Malia is helping us build the snowman. Hey, Leah, look at this pocket. Look it like this. I feel like this here is gonna get wet.
I like to go down this one.
Awesome. Very good, Kim. Malia, what are you doing? Goodness gracious. Thank you. Woohoo! Woohoo! Boom! All right, here's his hat. Nice.
We did it.
He
Now
looks-
we back off.
He need a scarf. Oh, he looks so cute, Kimmy. Oh, he looks so cute. I'll use this one. Stick it. Almost, you gotta stick it in like this.
Okay.
Stick it in deep. All right, you see this hole right here? Now stick the nose right in that hole.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. Almost. Nose.
Yeah, now stick the eye.
All right, so this is gonna be his eyes?
Yeah.
All right.
Now we need a swipe face.
Okay, now this is. What do you call these things?
Cuckoo.
Oh, you didn't call them prickles. I forgot what you call it. These things that fall off the tree. His name is not no Snow the Snowman. We need a creative name for him. Should I put it like this? Like he's been sweeping up our deck?
Yes.
All right. Okay, a Jamie.
Jenny, don't call me Jenny.
Jamie. Okay, what about? Is it a boy or a girl? Jenny.
Yeah.
Jenny.
Yeah, Jenny.
Good. Okay, Jenny. Well, hi, Jenny. Nice to meet you, Jenny. Our snow woman. She looks so mean. Why her face look like that? We couldn't curve her smile.
Bye, Jenny.
Should I leave her the bucket?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Jenny, you got something to play with.
Okay.
She's gonna clean up that porch. She got a bucket to shovel the snow, Jenny. And then I want you to make sure you get all of this off of the porch, okay, Jenny? Cheese.
Cheese.
Say snowman.
Snowman.
Jenny.
Jenny.
Nina. Hey, Nina. Hey, snow doggy. While she does what she does, making the snow yellow and all, I'm trying to find the kids because they done ran off. And look, I found them at the neighbor's house because they got a bomb hill that we're going to try to sled down.
What is this noise?
I know. This is so fun. Go! Yay, Kimmy! It's fun. Oh, that's so cool. Really, Nina? All right, now I gotta get this. Whee! Wow, that's so fast, Malia. Oh, it's all good. She stopped her. So before y'all come for me, yes, this is actually called a sled. I did not know they had these new age sleds because I'm used to the wooden ones like I grew up with. But apparently they're cheaper and you can find them at Lowe's and they're lots of fun. That, my friends, is how we spent our unofficial snow day here in the South. And I say unofficial because it was totally random, y'all. We were not preparing for snow, but to each his own. Before y'all go, here's a little deleted scene I thought y'all would enjoy. And 5, 4, 3. Oh! No, wait. Cut. Oh, it broke. It's okay. I'll fix it later.
Let's go down this hole.
Oh, that's so fast, Malia. Oh! I don't think kids are supposed to play with that. That's a chemical reaction.